Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to have on Easter Sunday, okay? And you know what this week is about. It's about Jesus. So I'm going to celebrate my Easter by cooking. But starting today, I'm going to have some red meat, and then through Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to stop eating red meat, and then Friday, Saturday is going to be fish, and then Sunday, that's when I'm going to back by cooking my stew goat and then all them stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys planning on doing the same. So let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have my steaks. Okay, New York steaks, well marinated in my seasoning, and also I have my rotini pasta. Okay, I'm going to have a salad with that, and I have my scallops, okay, already cooked. And here I have all my vegetables, okay, for my steaks and my rice. Okay, here I have my beans already cooked with coconut milk, and here I have my salads, guys. Okay, I put that plastic cover on it because, you know, when you put it in the fridge, you don't want it to get exposed straight up to the fridge. And here I have my oil seasoning for my rice, okay, and I have olives for my salad, and mixed cherry tomatoes. And guys, let's start cooking, guys. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start with my steaks. Okay, let me get a spoon. Okay, here, let me see, I think this one is gonna be okay. That's good enough. Okay, I have my pot already warmed up. I put some butter at the bottom. Okay, guys, I'm so excited about this week because I know I'm going to cook a lot of food, like I said, red meat, and then go to fish. Okay, now what I'm going to show you guys, now let's start cooking our rice while the steak is cooking. Okay, I'm adding my marinade. Okay, and here, after I'm letting that cook a little bit, okay, my steaks are cooking. Okay, I have my big fork and my steak. Okay, let me put the lid on so it can cook faster. Okay, and this is what I'm going to use, guys, for my salad. Okay, it's very good. Whatever you have, you wanna use for your salad, guys, it's up to you. Okay, and now I'm adding my thyme. Okay, and my beans. Guys, my family love that beans, and it's good. This Sunday, I might change it. I don't know, because I'm going to have the same food, not the same food, but the rice is might be the same. Okay. All right. Now let me just cover that up. Okay, and so we can start with our salad. Okay. Here's what I'm going to show you guys. Okay, I'm going to start adding my olives and my tomatoes, mixed tomatoes. Okay, my red tomatoes. Okay, and also my scallops. Okay. All right, let me mix it up. And what I'm going to do next, I'm adding some black pepper. Okay. Some parsley. Okay, and some ginger powder, guys. It's very good for you when you're cooking your food. Okay. And I'm adding some pepper flakes and some onion powder. Okay. And I'm adding some pesto. Okay, it's up to you guys. It's optional. Okay. All right, now I'm adding my dressing. You have to shake it, guys, so you can get everything. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, let me mix it up. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to, let me check on that. I'm going to finish that off. Okay, my steak's cooking. And then when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add my ingredients for my rice, okay? Adding my pepper and tomatoes, okay? Okay, my salad's already done, guys. Okay, see that? It's already done and it's very good. Okay, all right, let me put that over there and let me just finish up my rice. Okay, my steak's cooking. All right, and what I'm going to do, guys, let me add some onion powder. Okay, parsley. Okay, ginger powder. Okay, garlic salt. Okay. All right, and my bouillon, guys. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add my coconut water. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to just let that boil, and then when we come back, we finish up everything up. Okay. Let me see if my sticks are already cooked. Okay, they're almost ready, guys. When we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay. Come back. Okay, guys. Now it's time to show you guys everything. Okay. Let me show you guys what I have. Okay, as you can see, my rice already cooked. Okay, look beautiful. And my steaks, well done. Okay, now I'm going to transfer them in this plate. Okay, look at that, guys. Very nice, right? Okay, next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook my onions in the same pot. Okay, so I can get all my seasoning through my onions. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you guys are ready, just as I am, for this precious holiday. Easter is one of my favorite holiday, guys, so I cannot wait. Okay, so all right, I'm going to let my onions cook I'm giving it 5 minutes, and then when we come back, everything should be ready, okay? My salads, pasta salads already, okay, you see that? Done. So now let's just, when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, my onion is now ready. Okay, 2 more minutes, and then when we come back, I'll show you everything else, okay? Come back guys. Okay guys, everything is done, okay? So now let me show you guys my plates. Okay, here as you can see, I fixed up my plate, and then now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just put a little parsley on top of my rice like that. Okay guys, and also my salad. Okay, okay guys, you see my my steaks. Okay, you see that? I have my onion on top of it, and then my rice, my salads, beets and lettuce and tomatoes, and for my rice and my pasta salads. Okay, so that's it for me guys. Okay, so if you like this recipe guys, okay, you can just go ahead and then give it a try. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Okay, so enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.